Alright, guys. So I was sitting here recording for about 25 minutes, and I completely lost every ounce of the game that I just played. Like, I wasn't recording at all. So let's just sum up what I've done. Like, what I thought has happened. Like, what I thought I was recording. So, first of all, as y'all remember last time I was saying we could get that slime key and go to that new area. And we did. We went there and we collected these, I'm stuck. We collected these puddle slimes, 2 of them. We collected boom slimes and we mixed them with the tabby slimes. And we also collected honey slimes and mixed them with the phosphor slimes. So guys, I'm so sorry that I messed it up. But now that we have a completely fresh new video to record, we have to record a whole new video, and we have a lot of extra time. Now we can grind out, because there is another tabby slime. There's a tabby slime, or a tabby largo, that you have to explode with chickens. So we're gonna have to collect all these chickens. Oh yeah, and I bought the jetpack, and look at it. It's not very powerful, but it will like get us from cliff to cliff, I believe. Wait, what in the world? Where'd he go? Oh, there he is. I think it might take about 30, like around 30 or so. And we well, we didn't really collect them, but we found like a new species of chicken. I think it's called a briar hen or something. And I believe that it is the boom slime's favorite, because they eat meat. We're gonna take one of these. What the heck? Ah, crap. Let's make sure that I didn't leave any behind. Alright, we're good. Just clean out this cage. Oh, okay. Hey, whoops. That's why I wasn't sucking them up, because it had the pink plorts. Oh yeah, we got rid of all. I also got rid of all the pink slimes that were in here and just killed them. We had to make room for all these, so you gotta do what you gotta do. We gotta find some chickens. Here we go. Oh, get out of my gun. Let's see what this is. Oh, I needed that actually. Alright. So yeah, that was where I got the first slime key. And I unlocked an area down this way, but I wanna open this area. And of right now, as I'm filming this video, it's been about 2 weeks since we last played, like made an episode. But as you're seeing it, it'll be 3 weeks. So I apologize if you guys like this series. I don't really like to spam out a series, in case there's some people that don't like the same thing over and over again. So if you guys like this series, comment down below and like this video, and I'll try to do it more often for y'all. See, like, this is it. You just come in this area right next to this bridge and just turn right. I think it's like 30 or so. So hopefully I can just do it with this one stack of hens. Okay, no. What in the world? 40 hens? One? Okay, this... They won't eat that. I gotta throw that back. Ow. There's always stony hens up here. Stony hens. Where are you? God, there's a whole area up here, too. Uh-oh. Angry ones. Yeah, see. There's a lot of them over here. So this is going to be our new stony hens area. Oh yeah, and what I recorded last time, these are called treasure pods, and you get them from the slime lab. And we're gonna actually collect some of those stony chicks, so we can put them in the coop back home. And stony hens are a tabby's favorite, so they should like throw up like the what's it called? The tabby should throw up a couple love hearts for us. See, look, watch. There we go. Slime key. Where's the slime key at? There's no slime key in this one. Oh, gosh. That just takes us back to the ranch. Here, well, we do need to go there anyways. Oh, what the? It takes us over here, okay. Like, I hear the tar slime song whenever I was coming back. And they put this out here in the coop. Hop in the coop. Alright, there we go. Let me just do a little bit of housekeeping real quick. God, let me get rid of these pogo fruits because I don't need those. Alright, I got 600. Let's see what we can buy. More energy. No, we don't really need that. Oh. Let's just get some more money real quick before we head out. We gotta go grinding some more. Because, what you missed last time? Well, you didn't really miss anything. I just wasn't recording. What you missed from whenever I wasn't recording is at that new area there is a honey gordo. That's what the big ones are called. They're gordos. There's a big honey. There's a big honey one that we need to pop with fruit. So we need to collect a lot of fruit. And there's a new fruit called mint mangoes. That's their favorite, I believe. And we don't have any more space for them. Alright. Uh-oh. Dang, look at that money. Dang. Look at that money growing. Alright, let's check on the chicks. Yeah, they're fine. Just get the rest of these dudes and then we'll go. Pink slimes. They're just the worst, really. They don't give you much money. They eat everything. It's kind of sucky, really. Like, what good would it be if you had, like, if all of these were your children and they just ate everything? That'd be really bad. Alright, let's put these in. Let's get some fruit and let's head down to the moss blanket. That's what it's called. Alright. But let's sleep till morning. And then wait for the... Yeah, hopefully these... what are they called? Yeah, these. Hopefully they... Yeah, okay, good. Let's pull these off the tree. Man, I wish I didn't throw those pogo fruits away.
Yeah, we'll find something else.
So there's pogo fruits right here. Ah, gosh, they just got eaten. Alright, good. There's more over here. We got a long way to run, y'all. So just sit back. God, look at them. They're all rotten. We got 2 out of all that. All those that could have been edible, they were all rotten. It's like 10 out of 2. Like 10 out of 12 of them that were rotten. What a sucky little farm care. This guy just gave us a teleporter back to our ranch, which is, well, I guess it could be helpful, but not right now. Here we go. Gotta cross this bridge ever so slightly because you could just slip. What's out here? Like on the edge. Whoa. Oh crap, almost fell off. That was absolutely pointless. Like, why is that out there? No need. So you gotta come through that tunnel. Like, look at these things. These things are so cool. Like crystal flowers. Now hop up these stairs, and then you gotta jump in this little hole, and you just gotta slide down. There you go. So these are the little boom slimes by themselves, like without anything on them. Yeah, and they blow up. We'll just collect the rest of these fruits before they all get eaten. Gosh dang it. Alright, let's get out of here before we get blown up. Can't remember where it was though. Alright, we got some star mail from Casey. See, look, here they are. Here are the mint mangoes. I'm gonna try to save one so we can plant it back at the house, like back at the ranch. But oh, what in the world? Oh, a hunter slime. Let's go. New slime. Oh, I think he's up here. Yeah, here he is. Look at this cute little freaker. He's got a honeycomb on his head. Just happy to be alive, really. Alright, we gotta save this last one. Oh crap, I slept. Why can't he just eat vegetables? Those are so much more common. Gotta go find some more. Oh my gosh. See, look, these are all rotten. What the heck? Fruits don't rot that fast. Well, I guess, yeah. Jump! Guys, see how crappy this jetpack is? Another treasure pod. See, look, those are the briar hens. Yeah, let's take some of these with us. See, look, all these are rotten. That is such bullcrap. Uh-oh. Getting attacked from behind. The feral slimes, I think that's what they're called. Like the angry ones. Let's just collect like a bunch of these as we can. Alright. We got some more of these baddies. You know, like Shotty's a little baddie. Not the little boo thing. I'm talking about the other girl. Not the one with the fatty. I'm talking about the girl with the flatty, you know? You know what I mean? We've all been there. You know, like, you know that one girl? One of those girls at school that thinks she has a fatty? And she's like the twiggiest girl? It's just funny. I mean, I'm not making fun of twig girls. I mean, look at me. The skinniest kid. Now, don't get me wrong. I do have a fatty, but not one like I should. Alright. Hopefully these other 4 will fill them up enough. Let me save some, conserve some energy real quick so we can make this jump. Go! Alright, here we go. 1, 2, yes! Yes, slime key. Oh. Okay, nothing that I needed. Good. Oh crap. Tar slimes, time to go. Oh, but we need to go over here now that we have the jetpack. Yeah, oh, they're coming. I don't have a choice. You gotta make the jump. Oh, I'm not gonna make it. Oh, gosh, that was so close. Oh, gosh. I'm so glad I made that. Sorry. A little yawn. This place has a lot of mushrooms. Oh, here's another puddle slime. Phosphor? We don't need those. We don't need one of those right now. Like whenever you see like a slime, like the boom slime start like going, then you might as well just run the other way because you're about to get blown the crap up. It just goes. And it's pretty scary when you don't expect it. What's down here? Look, this place is big. Like got a whole like another treasure pod right there. Gotta jump up this. Oh, there we go. Gosh, this jetpack is bad. All right, let's get back home. Put this new hunter slime we got. We got a new. What's it called? We got another slime key. This is not how you're supposed to go up this thing, but we're just pogging it anyways. Got another crate. Let's go. Sweet. We need to plant these mint mangoes. Put these new chickens in their coop. Got another puddle slime. Got another, like a completely new slime, which is grand. Grand strand. Gosh, look at all these. Oh, crap. I just got blown up. Oh, what in the world? There's a treasure pod down there. Like, underwater. That is pretty dope. Pretty sickety sick. Alright, let's go home. Gosh, look at them all. Look how many I got. Put the puddle slimes in here. There we go. Look how happy and grand. What should we do? Like, what should we? Okay, I got an idea. First off, hunter slime. Sick. Alright, we need to do something with this guy. Okay, first off, I'm just completely thinking about getting rid of these. Because we have these guys, which is basically, we already have a rock slime of some sort, so we're just gonna get rid of these guys completely. No, that is not what it... Alright, we're going to collect their stuff real quick. Then we're going to demolish this lot. Oh no, I don't need to do that. I can just do this. Pook! There we go. Pook! And boom! And boom! Let's just completely get rid of all these dudes. And then since we're running out of time, like I'm running out of time, like recording time right now, it's going like well over 20 minutes. Uh-oh, that guy's not going over. Oh, neither is that guy. Push him off. Let's get them both in one go. Ah, there we go. Alright, so what we're going to do to finish off this episode, we're going to get rid of this dude. We're going to plant this mint mango. We're going to put this hunter slime in here. And then I think that'll do it for this episode. I'm gonna move. Okay, I'm gonna move these guys, like the chickens, in the overgrowth, because there's a lot more chickens over there for them to, you know, make friends. You gotta make friends in this world. Yeah, just completely demolish it. Now we just gotta clear it out. Let's clean them out. All right. Gotta make it quick, before the chicks run away. Alright, Coop. Hurry. God could just shoot any darn slower. Okay, we'll put high walls on it real quick. High walls. Spring grass, vitamizer. Okay. Alright, gotta run. So the chicks don't escape. Well, they probably already have, but... yeah, the chicks are gone. What in the world? Did they just grow up by themselves already? And this elder hen. We gotta keep her alive. Gotta respect the elders, you know. Some of you might be like, screw the elders. And I'll be like, that's not very kind. Alright. Mint mangoes. Imagine if your like trees in real life grew like that. Like you just plant a seed and then it just instantly grows the tree. That'd be so funny. We're just gonna wait. How many stony hens do we have in here? Oh gosh. Okay, we're just gonna keep these out here so they can reproduce outside, and the elder hen can just chill outside. I'm gonna put this mint mango in here with the honeys real quick, and I think that'll end off the episode. I was gonna use the slum key that we got to open up the new area, but since we got so much more done in this episode, we got boom slimes, we got honeys. We got a hunter slime. We completely just mixed these two and those two. And we got one hunter, but we'll get some more. So we'll just save this key for next episode. So like this video and comment down below if y'all want to see it. More episodes if you like this series. And comment down below what I should mix together with this hunter slime. Because it kind of like turns invisible, I'm guessing, to kind of blend in with the surroundings, because it is a hunter after all. It looks like a robber. Y'all comment down below what y'all want to see mixed with the hunter, and we'll save this slime key for the next episode. So thank y'all guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next Slime Rancher video. And yeah, see y'all later.